What's up, everyone? I'm sure all of us have heard about Deepseek R1. It's this new Chinese AI model that has basically been taking over the world. All the benchmarks and everything say it's better than ChatGPT O1, which is really impressive. So what I want to do today is I actually want to test the two models side by side to actually see which and to conclude which is better. So there are going to be three levels. All of them are related to coding, but we are also going to, after those, we are also going to have some facts and stuff like that sessions, and just general user interface to determine which one is better. Let's get started. So first up, we're going to be testing the browser versions of each of these GPTs. So first is what do you call it? ChatGPT O3 Mini. This is the free version. We're going to test the free version of both. So first, I've written a simple prompt. You can see over here. Make a simple playable Python snake game. Okay. So let's just copy the code and enter it in www.replit.com. Okay, and then we'll run it. Output. Okay, game is deployed. Okay, interesting. So let's run it again. We have to run it each time. Damn it. Alright, not bad. Oh, it's pretty fast. Okay, it's fine. Not the best game. It's a fine game. It's playable, but it's a bit laggy. You know, it's okay as I would describe it. Yeah, it's fine. Not the best. Fine. Okay, now we're gonna try Deepseek, and I'm excited about this. So I've already written prompt here. As you can see over here, it took 4 minutes actually to figure this one out. Make a simple playable Python game, same prompt. So it thought way too much about this, way more than ChatGPT. And let's just copy this code and run it. So ta-da, run. Okay. Let's see over here. Whoa. Immediately right off the bat, I can tell it's way more laggy than ChatGPT. Way more laggy. Iffy. It's not that smooth. And the original ChatGPT was actually not smooth either, but it was still not this laggy and stuff, you know. So this one is way more laggy, and it just immediately continues. It's fine. And with the amount of time it took, I honestly expected something way better. No offense. So I'm actually gonna have to give this one this is a 7 honestly, and ChatGPT is a 8. So ChatGPT wins in that round. Okay. Next round, I wanted to test was the what do you call I wanted to let it make a completely original game. So make an imaginative text game based on Python. So ChatGPT only thought for 9 seconds, and it gave this game. Okay. So I don't know. I just fed this prompt actually. So let's start the game. See what happens. Okay. Do you dare to enter the forest? Let's see. Yes. Yes. Let's see. One. Yeah. Silver. It ends. That's soon. That took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 prompts. That took a very short amount of prompts. Let's try it again. Let's see what happens when I do no. Just start the game. Okay. Yes. Let's play the game again. Yes. 2. No, not 3. 2. Yes. Okay, that's it. Victory is mine. What the heck? That took 1. That literally took 1, 2, 3. 3 prompts, and I won the game.
I mean, it's fine. I honestly expected a bit better. I don't know, man. It's very, very mediocre. But like in three prompts, you can win again. I don't know. So I did not like this, but at the end of the day, it made a game in 9 seconds, and the game is working. I think that's all that matters. Yeah, the creativity and imagination matters a lot, but actually this one I'll give it like a 6.5 or a 7, just because it came up with it so fast. But like I'm not impressed by the gameplay like at all. Next we have Deepseek, which yeah. Server is busy, server is busy, server is busy. And I try to make a new chat, server is busy. So that's the problem with DeepSeek, that the server, like so many people are using this, and this isn't like a giant company like OpenAI, which has a lot of servers and like does business. This is like a like side project, and like the problem with this is that the servers can't handle like everyone in the world right now. Like everyone is installing this, and so like no one is actually getting good use out of this. So I would still, because like the thing is, if the if it works properly, yeah, fine, it's good, okay. And if you're saying that your AI model is better than ChatGPT, I need the AI model to work. I can't just rely on benchmarks and stuff, and it does work sometime. But I would still choose ChatGPT O3 Mini even over it, because they're both free, so like you can't say ChatGPT is overpriced because both of them are free. Yeah, O3 Mini High is paid, O1 is paid, and yeah, that's all the models are paid, and there's a $200 plan. But like, let's be honest, no one buys that. But point is that you can't say that they're overpricing, because they're delivering a better product for the same price. The same price being $0. So I think like in the browser, at least currently, you have to use ChatGPT, or you can rely on something like Gemini or Claude or whatever. But you just can't use DeepSeek right now feasibly. It's very unreliable. That's the only problem. And yeah, in like I think in like a month or so, they'll probably fix this. They'll get better servers. It's the most famous thing in the world right now. So I think they'll have to get better servers. But like currently, you still have to use ChatGPT if you want anything like good, or like reliable, because like otherwise you'll just get this message like a billion times. It's actually quite funny. I saw a Reddit user, he had this regenerate button. I tried to regenerate this, like, look at this. I tried to regenerate this 2 times, 2 out of 2, and that in that Reddit post he had 3,799.9 something, and then out of 3,799, the 3,700 times the AI said to him, "The server is busy. Please try again." That poor guy. So yeah, browser, the win goes to ChatGPT for now. We'll see when DeepSeek gets better server. But for now, ChatGPT is obviously the superior option, even for free users, and definitely for paid users. Because I don't think DeepSeek has a paid version. No? I don't think they have it. Now moving on to mobile. Okay, I'm on my mobile, and first thing we're gonna see ChatGPT's app. Now, I'm gonna keep this short. ChatGPT, the mobile app, it's goated. Like, I'm not kidding. It's just incredible. It's a great app. It's well designed. It's consistent. Never crashes. It's just very, very good. And like, I'll just show you like the two features that make ChatGPT's app such a good AI app for me. First, of course, is the voice like recognition, like speech to text, works very well. In fact, I would say that this is the best text to speech to text software I have ever seen. It's just able to catch on everything I say perfectly without any errors. And the second one, I'm actually gonna demonstrate. Many of you know about it. It's called the voice mode. Now they made a advancement to that called
the applet name advanced voice mode, but that's not the main thing. The main thing is this. So camera cut out everything it can see and it can answer all your questions. Okay, I need a bit of help here. I'm just showing example. Uh, can you read question one out loud for me?
Sure thing. Here's what I see on your sheet. Why are elections considered essential in the democratic system of a country? Would you like to discuss this question or go over some points together? Let me know how I can help.
Read the question again.
The question on your sheet is, why are elections considered essential in the democratic system of a country? Would you like to break it down or discuss why elections are so important?
No, it's
Let me
fine.
know how I can assist. All right. If you want to dive deeper, we can talk about how elections
It's
give
fine,
people a
it's fine.
voice in choosing.
Can you tell me what company made this earbud?
I recognize that earbud as one made by Boat, an Indian electronics brand. They're quite popular for their audio products. Would you like to know more about them or the specific model you're holding?
No. What company is this laptop made by?
This laptop is an Acer, a well-known brand. The logo on the front is a clear indicator. Acer is recognized for making a range of
Okay,
laptops
thanks.
from budget-friendly.
So, like, did you catch on to that? Like, first of all, the thing is, it actually listens to me while it's just constantly yapping and yapping. If I interrupt it, it listens, and it stops talking to listen to me. And the thing is that this is a feature that no one has, like, no one. And like just the camera recognize your ability, I can tell that this is gonna be on every robot like ever made. Like this is just too good of a feature. It's one of like the best features of ChatGPT Pro. It is just like that good. It works flawlessly, and it has even saved my like just saved me a couple of times, like from laptop shock to cuts to technical errors on like Python or anything. It is just like a good feature, a great, incredible feature. I would say it's a very they developed this one well. Whoever was working on this, I gotta say props. It was very well done, very just like good, feature. Okay, moving on to the Deepseek app. Now, it's important to remember that Deepseek it was just made as a side project originally, so the app is obviously not going to be quite as nice. So, keeping that in mind, okay, so I think this is like basically like a not to be mean over here, but this is like kind of like a ripoff of the ChatGPT app. Like the ChatGPT interface complete ripoff. DeepSeek R1 search, they substitute for search and reason. And over here we have this additional button, photo, image, and document we can upload over here. And basically nothing else. That is the entire user interface. So I kind of expected that. Okay, I didn't expect the app to be that as good as ChatGPT's, especially with the camera. But it's still just like a little bit disappointing. If they added like a voice to text feature, it would be just so good. So considering all things, I have to give this point to the ChatGPT app. It is just better in every way. In conclusion, the problem right now with DeepSeek is that in browser, it keeps just crashing. Even in the app, it keeps on crashing. The servers are very unstable, and that's understandable because like everyone is trying to use it right now. The reason why ChatGPT servers don't crash like DeepSeek's is because DeepSeek isn't like actually a well-established company. ChatGPT, OpenAI, they get like billions and billions of dollars of funding each year, so they're able to get robust, reliable servers. But DeepSeek, on the other hand, it was just made as a side project, as mentioned earlier. So it doesn't have good servers, and the people who making it definitely didn't probably didn't expect that like half the world will jump to use it because it's already the most popular app downloaded on the App Store and on the Apple Play on the Google Play Store. So anyway, right now, in order to just sum all of this up, the ChatGPT O3 Mini, the free version, is just like objectively better. It's objectively better in terms of speed. It's objectively better in terms of like play, gameplay, result, output. At least in the test I did, and it's just better in everything. Until Deepseek R1, until Deepseek as a company fixes the server problems, I think that anyone, whether you're saying that DeepSeek is better, DeepSeek is better, doesn't matter right now because you're not able to use DeepSeek. I think what matters is that the best solution, like the best solution currently right now, which is usable, is ChatGPT O3 Mini. That is for free. So, yeah, my recommendation is to stick with ChatGPT, make a DeepSeek account, but stick with ChatGPT O3 for like a couple more like months, I think. And I'm sure in like a month they'll be able to fix the server issues and they'll be able to get good, better servers. But until then, uh, you kind of have to use ChatGPT if you want a good AI model. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.